What's going on, guys? Today I am checking out Astoria with my parents. There's my dad, there he is. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with. Let's go. We're at Cape Disappointment now, it's called, outside of Astoria. My mom's being a mountain climber. How's it look up there? Scary? These people fishing?
Wow. It's very cool. Wow.
These people just caught a massive crab.
It's big. Wow.
Don't do too much, Dad.
See over there, Trev?
Down at the beach now. I'm gonna get a shot of me flying out of the woods up to the beach so you guys can see it. It'll be hopefully very cool. I'm still trying to learn this whole drone thing, and sorry if it's really windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me that well, but yeah, I'm on this whole drone thing. It's a little nerve-wracking, but yeah, here's the beach. So I found a spot where I think I'm gonna launch the drone. Right down here. There's a lighthouse up there. See if I can get a shot of that. right, everybody, that was Cape Disappointment in Washington. Honestly, it's beautiful out here. I'll definitely be coming back. It's just outside Astoria, Oregon. We just crossed over the bridge there into Washington. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week's episode. Leave a like, comment, or subscribe to show some support for the channel. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.